Hello everyone, so a bit of a market update today. Why is SLP crashing? Pretty much crashed from, what was it? We were doing good here, like 12 cents. Then we went all the way down to almost 9 cents, about 25% down. But that's mostly because of the whole crypto market crashing, right? So BTC also crashed right here, about the same time. It crashed 10%. So when BTC crashes, it takes the whole crypto market down, basically. So that's why you're seeing a crash in SLP prices. It's fairly stable for now. It actually bounced a little bit. Yep, bounced 10%. It's back to around 10 now. Not financial advice, but I think it could hold here, hopefully BTC doesn't crash more, but I think generally I believe anyway, the bull market for crypto is not over, so I don't think Bitcoin's gonna crash too hard. So I think SLP might just hover around this range. It basically hovered around that range. Let's go to the daily view. Basically hovered around that range, like from where, let's see, from May to July. Yep, it hovered around there for like a good 3 months. I'm sorry, 1 month. I mean, not much history for SLP. This is the Binance chart. Not much history to go on, but then this seems like a good level of support where the price seems to be bouncing off at around 8 cents and near 11 cents. I don't quite think it's time to panic yet. I mean, crypto market was due for a correction. It's been going up for the past Bitcoin went up 77% in the last 2 months. So 30-40% corrections, they're pretty normal in crypto. And I mean, SLP is tied to other crypto prices as well, so Bitcoin price will affect SLP prices also. That Bitcoin correction also hit Axie as well. AXS went down pretty hard as well, almost 30%. But now we're having a bit of a bounce, up 20% again to 70. It went all the way down to what, 56. That's crazy. But yeah, that's the current SLP price. A bit of a crash, but I don't think there's anything too much to worry about, honestly. Now let's check out the ETH volume and Axie volume. It's pretty much slowing down the decline. Like, we had like a big peak in July, and we're just slowly starting to decline, but the decline seems to be like slowing down. The volume seems to be doing okay at this level. You can also see that in the Axie prices, right? They're starting to like stabilize, because we've seen Axie prices just drop from pretty high ETH prices to now like almost half, maybe 40-50% down. Or floor Axies, they're probably down more than 70%. So I usually look at the 6x pure zero breed Axies and see if the Axie prices are declining or is it stable. This is really handy to know when you're like breeding, because just like a month ago, the floor prices for these aquas was what, it's like 1.8 or something. It's been slowly declining, more than half actually. Reptiles were crazy. Just maybe 2 weeks ago they were like 0.2, and now they're 0.08. They have gone down quite a bit. Plants are pretty stable, 0.8. Maybe a week ago like 0.1. But the prices seem to be stabilizing a bit. It also shows in the volume that I just showed, right? So yeah, I think with volume stabilizing a bit here, hopefully it doesn't decline anymore. The Axie prices should be at these levels for the upcoming weeks. Now let's take a look at the breeding fees. I guess it's still rising quite a bit. It is slowing down a bit here. A lot of breeding within these last 2 months. And of course that in turn means more Axies, but less volume means less demand, so Axie prices went down. The SLP is, I mean, it's still a lot being minted. The halving in an adventure and daily doesn't seem to be doing much. Although they did say it's gonna take 2 weeks, but I think it's beyond 2 weeks now. It's still a lot of SLP is still being minted. It's either not working or we still have to wait a bit more to see the outcome of those nerfs to the SLP gains. And also a lot being minted against being burned equals more selling pressure for SLP, so SLP price just keeps going down. I mean, look at this, not much being burned. Like last week, I don't think anyone was breeding because the gas fees were just nuts. What was this, like 34,000, 34 million burned. And only about a couple of days ago, people started breeding again because of the Binance integration. Much easier to send SLP from Binance to Ronin with very little fees. But I think AXS transfers are still suspended. Hopefully that's fixed, and we probably will see more breeding when we can send AXS from Binance to Ronin with super cheap fees. But currently the ERC20 fees are like insane right now. Just look at these numbers. To deposit ETH, $92, withdrawing 117, even access $100. Like, I don't think anyone wants to agree with these prices. SLP has been solved due to Binance, but Binance needs to open up AXS transfers from Binance to Ronin. That would make it so much easier for people to breed, which will increase burning of SLP, and SLP prices might go up a bit more. Anyway guys, thank you for listening. It was just a little quick market update, and also why SLP crashed quite a bit today, as well as AXS. I will probably try to do these market updates, we'll see, maybe once 2 weeks or maybe once per month. So if you guys like the content, please like the video. It's gonna help me out a lot. I'm a new creator. I have 4 subscribers right now, so just hit the like button. You don't have to subscribe, but if you do really like it, please subscribe, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.